Eliminate the need for ballasts by retrofitting existing 32-watt T8 fluorescent fixtures with these 15-watt LED T8 ballast bypass tubes from PLT. Retrofitting with LED tubes gives you the freedom to change the lighting as needed. You can easily swap out tubes to adjust the light output and Kelvin without having to completely replace the fixture. With easy-to-follow wiring diagrams, these LED tubes remove a potential failure point from the fixture, reducing maintenance costs. Additionally, by using 17 less watts per LED tube, the average customer can save up to $5 per tube annually on energy costs, which means these pay for themselves in less than 1 year and continue to provide savings for years to come. Available from 3,500 to 5,000 Kelvin, these tubes produce up to 1,800 lumens. The frosted glass lens diffuses the light for even illumination with reduced glare. These LED tubes are DLC listed and UL damp location rated. Sold by the case, use these lamps in offices, classrooms, and other similar applications. Get these LED T8 ballast bypass tubes and more incredible lighting products at 1000bulbs.com.